Guys, just now I crashed into a car hard and it sent me into the metal gates, and that's what happened. It was on fire for a little bit. And like I wanted to be on fire. I want y'all to see. I know I've been making I made like 4 videos of playing this game today, but I just like it too much. Oh my. Look at this. Oh! Look at my car. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my! Did y'all see that kid? He was like, I'm just a kid! And then he just went zooming in his car and flying. Oh my! Kids! Oh! Knocked one. I'm just... This is my new favorite car. Oh, ow. He hurt me. Oh my. Yo. Yo. I'm Peter Bob. Down, 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 down. Oh my. Oh my. Yo. Oh my. That one kid's crashes be like. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, brutal hit. Oh, oh my God. Oh my, it's the end. Oh my, how did they not collide? Dicey. Oh my, brutal hit. Woo! Oh shit, crash. Crash. Yo, I crashed. Oh my! What's happening? I'm not even holding my car! I'm not even holding any buttons! Guys, I wasn't even holding any buttons. And that happened. Hold up, what if I drive it very fast and then let go? Will I crash? Obviously, but oh my gosh. A lot of like little bars went flying. Hold up, guys. What if I hold like the drive button and then let go? Let's see. At high speed. Nothing. Oh my. Turn. Oh shoot. Oh my. He's so close to hitting me. Ah! Oh my. Yo. Look at all this destruction video. Alright guys, right now I'm not going to stop until our car catches on fire. So we crash it. Oh my! Oh! Double hit. Let's crash into this gate here. Oh man, I was hoping for my car to go up. Swap. Epic crash. Gas in it. Put the gas in it. Yo! That was extra sick. What if I just drive and then let go at full speed? Oh my, that's what happens. Yep, that's what happens. Your back gets torn off. Oh, finally! Finally! Bye, guys.